Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we'll be descaling the Jura E6. What you're going to need to complete the descaling process is the Jura descaling tablets, which are available in a 3-pack or a 36-pack, precisely 500 milliliters of water, an empty receptacle or something to put underneath your spouts, could also be a large cup to catch water. Before we start the descaling process, if you are using a filter, it's critical that you remove it. If you keep your filter in place during a descaling cycle, the solution will essentially render the filter useless and it'll make any coffees run through it afterwards taste a little bit funky. So make sure you remove that if you are using it. You'll know it's time to decalcify your machine when you have a message in the center that says decalcify. You're then going to go into the programming and select decalcify machine. Once that's done, the first step will be removing your tray and emptying it. Put your tray back into the machine and it will ask you for the agent. At this stage, it's going to ask you to put the agent in the tank. You're going to take your 500 milliliters of water, add your 3 descaling tablets, and allow it to completely dissolve. Once it is completely dissolved, add that to the tank. At this stage, you should have 500 milliliters of water and descaler in your water tank. Put your receptacle underneath your spouts and your machine will ask you to open tap. At this stage, you're going to open the tap and you're going to allow the machine to run all the decalcifying solution through its central spouts into that tray and container. Once that's done, it'll ask you to close the tap. Once you close the tap, you're going to remove your receptacle, you're going to empty it, you're going to take your water tank, give it a good rinse, fill it up with fresh water and put it back. Once the water tank is back, you're going to put your receptacle back, empty again, and open the tap. The machine will now run fresh water through the spouts. Once that process is done, it'll ask you to close the tap again. You will have to empty the tray one more time, refill your water tank, and you're done your cycle. Thanks for watching how to decalcify your Jura E6. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada for some cool and fun content, and check out our website, www.fiamma.ca, for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.